Hey there. Having trouble with Apple Pay and can't receive payments? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, which can be frustrating when you're expecting money. But fear not. In this guide, we're diving into how to fix you can't receive payments on Apple Pay, ensuring those transactions come through smoothly. Step 1. Check your Apple ID setting. First things first, let's ensure that your Apple ID settings are correctly configured. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID. Next, ensure you're signed in with the right Apple ID that you use for Apple Pay. Verify your contact details are correct, including your email and phone number. These details are crucial for receiving payments successfully. Step 2. Update your device. Keeping your device up to date is essential for smooth Apple Pay transactions. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Updates often fix bugs and compatibility issues that might be preventing you from receiving payments. Don't forget to inform other devices linked to your Apple ID to update as well. Step 3. Verify payment information. Next, let's check that your payment information is up to date. Navigate to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay. Tap on the card or bank account you're using for Apple Pay. Verify the details such as the card number, expiration date, and billing address. Should anything appear incorrect, correct it or re-add the card to your wallet. Sometimes deleting and re-adding can resolve hidden. Step 4. Check Apple Pay server status. Sometimes the issue might not be on your end. Visit Apple's system status page online to check if there are any known issues with Apple Pay. If Apple Pay is experiencing outages or technical difficulties, you might have to wait until the problem is resolved on their side. Rest assured, they usually fix such issues swiftly. Step 5. Reset network setting. In some cases, network settings could be causing the hiccup. Head to Settings, General, Reset network setting. Remember, doing this will erase saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, so you'll need to reconnect these afterward. A clean network slate can sometimes help resolve connectivity issues affecting Apple Pay services. Step 6. Enhance security setting. Ensure your device meets the security requirements for Apple Pay transactions. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode, depending on your model. Make sure a passcode is enabled, which is necessary for Apple Pay. Revoking permissions regarding biometric data might sound less secure, but it can sometimes nip issues in the bud. Step 7. Contact Apple Support. If you've exhausted the steps above without success, it might be time to contact Apple Support for assistance. Use the Get Support feature on Apple's website or your device for personalized guidance. Prepare to offer them any error messages or codes you encounter for a quicker resolution. It's possible there could be an account-specific issue that requires expert attention. There you have it. Several methods to troubleshoot and fix the can't receive payments on Apple Pay issue. Enjoy the ease of receiving payments without a hitch by applying these steps. Always prioritize keeping your devices and software updated to help prevent problems in the future. If the issue persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple Support for further assistance. Stay connected and keep those funds flowing.